यूपीएससी की प्रीलिम्स अनाउंस हो चुकी है एंड प्लस पॉइंट अबाउट एग्रीकल्चर स्टूडेंट्स इज दैट वी हैव एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट इन यूपीएससी मेंस. सो जम के तैयारी करो एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी ask us in a comment box. We will surely help you. Hello friends, I'm Komal in your channel Agriculture Competitive CT Forum. आज कुछ interesting subject लेके आए हैं, so let's begin with that. Let's see first question. The canker nodules are present in dash dash soil and the right answer is B, red soil. And let's see other options too. First one, laterite soil, which is maximum leaching takes place in that soil. Then alluvial soil, which is the largest soil group. And black soil, which is rich in montmorillonite clay minerals. Second, the process of moving out of sesquioxide is known as, and the right answer is pedoxylation. And let's see other options. Pedoturbation, the process of mixing of soil. Then pedon, the smallest form of soil, which is 1 to 10 meters square. And soil texture, which is the constant property of soils, which can be changed. Third question, the law of minimum was proposed by, and the right answer is Lebesgue. Let's see other options, which is N.C. Brady, book written Nature and Properties of Soil. Then V.V. Dokichu, the father of pedology. Fourth question, the diameter of clay particles is, and the right answer is 0.002 mm. Let's see other options. Let's see diameter of other particles, which is the silt. Silt has 0.002 to 0.06 mm and sand has 0.06 to 0.2 mm. Fifth question, the particle density of most of soil is, and the right answer is 2.65 GKC. Sometimes examiner gives tricky questions, tricky numericals, so you have to first watch properly, then remind what the exact number, and then select which is the right answer. Let's see Agri current affairs. First one, G.R. Chintala is a new chairman of NABARD. NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Then chairman होने के साथ ही वो managing director है Financial Services Limited, which is the subsidiary of NABARD in Bengaluru. Mr. Chintala look over from हर्षा कुमार भानवाला, जो पहले Mr. Chintala के chairman हो चुके हैं NABARD के. Then PVS Surya Kumar and the Shaji KV is assumed charge as a deputy managing director in NABARD. एग्री करंट्स का ये पूरा सेशन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. आपका सपना इतना बड़ा होना चाहिए कि कोरोना हो या और कुछ आपको वो डीमोटिवेट न कर पाए. सो ऑन दिस नोट आई एम एंडिंग दिस सेशन. सो जॉइन अस, सब्सक्राइब अस फॉर मोर educational videos and like us, share us to all your friends. Thank you so much.